The given equation of the pair of straight lines is 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0. Now note that when c is equal to 0, the equation of this pair of lines is 6x square minus xy is equal to 0. Taking x common, this can be written as x times in brackets 6x minus y is equal to 0. Which implies that either x is equal to 0 or 6x minus y is equal to 0. Neither of these lines is the one given in the problem statement. That is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. And therefore, it follows that c cannot be equal to 0. Now going back to the equation of the pair of lines given in the problem statement, dividing both sides of this equation by x square, it can be written as 6 minus y upon x plus 4c times y upon x whole square is equal to 0. Now note that y upon x is equal to the slope of these lines, which can be denoted by m. And so this equation can be written as 4cm square minus m plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in m, and therefore the sum of the slopes of these two lines, m1 plus m2, is equal to 1 upon 4c. Similarly, the product of the slope of the lines, m1 times m2, is equal to 6 upon 4c, which simplifies to 3 upon 2c. Now we are given that one of these lines is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, which can be written as 4y is equal to minus 3x or y is equal to minus 3 upon 4 times x. Therefore, the gradient of one of the lines, say m1, is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Now we have obtained earlier that m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 upon 4c and m1 times m2 is equal to 3 upon 2c. Substituting m1 is equal to minus 3 upon 4 and solving for m2 from both of these equations, we get m2 is equal to 1 upon 4c minus m1, which is equal to 1 upon 4c plus 3 upon 4. Similarly, from the second equation, we get m2 is equal to 3 upon 2c m1, which is equal to 3 upon 2c times minus 4 upon 3. This simplifies to be equal to minus 2 upon c. Equating the values of m2 obtained above, we get 1 upon 4c plus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 2 upon c. Collecting the coefficients of 1 upon c, we get 1 upon c times in brackets 1 upon 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 4. This implies that 1 upon c times 9 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 4. 4 cancels and we get c is equal to minus 3, which is the required answer.